DRAM is a database of streaming audio files, mainly focusing on 20th and 21st century classical American music. There's a lot of really great music available through DRAM, including some more obscure works that aren't available in other streaming databases or in physical formats. However, the searching can be a bit confusing. For an example, let's say we're looking for a piece called Brigid's Song by David Diamond. In most catalogs and databases, we would search for the composer's last name and the name of the piece. So let's try that first and see what happens. So in the search box at the left, I'll enter the title, Brigid's Song, and the composer's last name, Diamond, and click Go. But we get no results, and you can see why. The default search looks for album titles, not combinations of composers' names and work titles. I don't know about you, but when I'm looking for music, I'm usually looking for a specific piece, and I don't really care which album it's on. The way to get around this in DRAM is to search for just the composer's name. So I'll go back to the home page and take out the title, and I'll add in the composer's first name, and click Go again. Again, the search only found results with David Diamond's name in the album title, but now we have another option. To get a full list of all his pieces in DRAM, we're going to click on his name in the composer's box at the top left of the page. Now we can see a list of all the albums with works by David Diamond, and to find a specific piece, we'll click the Tracks tab, and then scroll to the piece we want, which is right here, Brigid's Song. You can see the names and instruments of performers for that piece over on the right, or click on the title to open the album and listen. Then just click the play button to open the player, and it should start playing automatically. I'll exit out of that. Sometimes you can find more information about the album by clicking Read Liner Notes near the top, and then opening the PDF. DRAM is a really great resource for listening and for research. If you ever need help, just ask a librarian.